Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Charge 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. Before we start, if you want to change the watch face on this smartband, your smartband needs to be paired with a phone via the Fitbit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Fitbit application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. In the application, you should see the Today page. Now tap on the profile icon in the top left corner to open the account page, and on this page find your Charge 4 on the list of devices connected to your phone. Tap on it, and on this page tap on the gallery option. Here tap on clocks, and as you can see we have the list of watch faces right here. Find the watch face you like to use on your smartband, tap on it to select it, and then tap on the install button to start installing it on your smartband. And once it's done installing, it should be applied on your smartband, as you can see. Okay, and now we can close the app. And that's how you change the watch face on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.